G'day! An interesting package came for me today. Something I ordered 3 days ago, but I've been looking at them for a long time. Let's check it out. It is a Unimig Viper inverter MIG and MMA welder. I bought it online from ewelders.com.au. I've wanted a MIG welder for a while. This is I got a little job off a mate of mine that involved patching up some holes in his lawnmower deck. His wheel came off. His wheel goes there. Now I've patched this hole up where this ripped off. I tried doing it with stick. I kept blowing holes in it. Here's where I patched the holes up. I've got to grind them back yet. But I thought, what a great excuse to buy a bloody MIG welder to help weld on this thinner stuff. So this does both MIG, gasless and gas and stick welding. So hopefully I'll be able to get rid of my old stick welder. This one also has a 10 amp plug, so you can use it basically anywhere. Alright, let's see what's in the box. Rightio. Let's open her up. Alright, we've got some leads. Alright. What's this one? Oh, look at that. That's a beauty, isn't it? Big earth clamp. It's a good stick. That's the stick holder. Pretty good. Although I might swap it for my red one. The red one I've got on my other stick welder. I like it because it's red. That looks like it's tubing for the gas. Yeah, gas tube. What else have we got down here? Oh, that's the MIG torch. That's the MIG torch. First time I've ever held a MIG torch. So comes with some different rollers. I think that's for, it does 2 different size wires. So this is 0.9, 0.6, 0.8, and I think it does 0.9 as well. There's some clamps for the gas hose. I'm not sure if I'll go to the expense of getting gas just yet. Righto, let's try and get some of this out. Oh, what's in here? That's the argon gas regulator in the box. Comes with one of them. dials. I'll have fun working out how to use this. And also, I guess these are kind of small instruction manual. Yeah, cool. I can't wait to use it. It's something I've been wanting for a long time, and I finally got one. Alright, thanks for watching. It was just a short video today, just because I was excited about getting the new welder. So please keep watching this channel. I'm going to be doing a bit more. I've got to fix this. I've got a few holes to fix here, which means a little bit of panel beating. I've got some steel panels to put in here. I'm going to cut some of this out, do some panel beating, and well, there's a couple more holes around the other side. I'll be fixing this up. I'll be welding that on there. I've got another bench I'm working on. Here's some steel. There's another bench. I've got the other bench is half done. Yeah, I've got a few jobs to do with this. So first things first though, I've got to go and get some wire and learn how to use the MIG settings, and figure all that out. So if you like this video, please hang around, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.